Hello everyone. So today is 10th of July and let's discuss what we discussed last time and what we are expecting next. So last analysis that we did on Friday. So there we clearly discussed that the prop decks, it was clearly seen that they did put buying, and the FIA is also very little put writing but majorly put buying. Okay, and so market had to go down today, and yes, if it was like the opening was a gap down, then we would have been unsure like how much further fall can happen or not, because already the big guys are in profits with their short positions. But market opened like a little gap up, and then also it went up. Okay, so it was a tremendous it was a very nice opportunity here to buy puts or sell short calls and make some bucks. And yes, not only that, even in Bank Nifty also. So this is both Nifty, so let me open Bank Nifty. So yeah, even if you notice Bank Nifty as well, so Bank Nifty also they were selling in both. And not only that, but I also updated it in the morning here that I have bought puts, and also clearly stated what the analysis was. So in the morning 9:21 bought puts at 92, so that price went to 110. Okay, so it was like 20%. And then again, and yes, also the previous positional call writing positions as we discussed on Friday, so that was also there. And both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And also next bought so 10 in 90,400, again bought at 72. So 10 a.m. was at around here, that is if you look at like this candle. Okay, so 10 a.m. so this is where we shorted, we took the put buying, and then market dropped. Okay, and that price went to 115 as far as I remember. But yes, see, like those experts who wants to drag you to their membership program or whatever, so they would say that, see, I told here and market fell till here. Okay, so just tell them to practically like take a trade and just close at the exact bottom. Okay, it's possible but not always. Like out of 10 times you can, that's also very hard. Like 2 times you can be selling at the just exact top, and and buying at the exact bottom. Okay, so it's not possible. Okay, so be practical. And so being practical, I closed it at 92 because I was happy with my profits. Okay, so yeah, I closed it at 92. It was a 28% profit. So took 2 option buying positions, and both, one gave 20%, one gave 28%. So overall, if you just take that, again more than 15% is like a huge return for a day. Okay, and yes, now coming to the other analysis, that is I was waiting for any particular move after the 3 p.m. So it went down, but at 3 p.m. you see that I clearly said that like just at 249, like I told you that some pattern is getting developed at 3 p.m. which can help you to predict the move. Okay, so 3 p.m. I clearly said that might go up. So since most of the people were bearish, I told that bears put a strict stop loss to your trade. Okay, and also just at dot 3 p.m. I said that like both side pulling is happening. So both side pulling means like downward pull as well as upward pull was happening. Sorry, my battery died. Yeah. Okay, so both side pulling was happening, and then what happened was that yes, now you saw like what happened. You see that like dot at 3 p.m. I told, and so it's not like always 3 p.m. moves will be on either side and it will be a good move and you can capture a lot. So yes, so the 3 p.m. move, if you come here, so this is Nifty, and yes, so this is the 3 p.m. move down, and then it went up. So this up signal was also coming, down signal was also coming. So that's where I said that both the side pulling is happening. Okay, and Now at the end, some big guys were making some long positions, and that's why I also closed my positional positions, and I am not carrying forward any position. Tomorrow I'll see what position I can take as positional, but now I have closed all my positions. And yes, and also not only close, but we closed at a decay of 60%. So if you go and check when we shorted this the last Friday, okay, so almost before the final fall, just at the top we sold this. And yes, today we closed all those call writing positions at six. I mean the premium were at 60% down. Okay, so that's the overall analysis. And now let's come to the today's analysis. So not only that, coming to the money flow in okay, so coming to the money flow in Nifty. So here if you see here, that is from 10:15 onwards, you see the score was decreasing, but Nifty was going higher up, higher, was making higher high, and finally it came down. Okay, so that also gave me the confidence to go with the put buying in the next put buying at 72. Okay, and now talking about Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty here again the score was decreasing, and finally the score ends in the neutral zone. And now coming to yes, so I hope I deserve some likes for this update. So I updated everything, like when I was buying puts and everything, at what price here even you can see. Okay, so I hope it the analysis helped you, because if you went long, so then you understood, like, I mean, you would have got easily lost a lot in this down move. Okay, and not only that, let's discuss the other points. So FIIs, DIIs, they have both bought, but not in huge quantity. Advance to decline ratios are not favorable for the bulls. And tomorrow we have our FinNifty expiry. So let's read the end of the day data. So end of the day data is saying that for even on Friday and even on today, FIIs are not taking huge put writing positions as they used to take earlier. But yes, they are doing call writing. They are taking call writing positions. And if there is a rise tomorrow, I'll just go for sell on rise. So at the end, some big guys were making some long positions, which I have noted that my analysis was saying that I could go wrong. So that's why I closed my positional trade. So tomorrow, if there is some up move, because that is not coming into the picture, you won't see that the long positions that are being made by the FIs or the props, but it has happened earlier the last month also, that I found out some big guys were buying, and then the next day it happened. Okay, the move came. So that's why I'm going a little cautious, and might be like the HNIs or anyone. So big guys could be coming from the HNI segment as well. So yeah, let's not speculate. So again, what the FIIs and the DI, the FIIs and the PropDex data are saying is that FIIs, whatever the extra call buying that they did the other day on Friday, so they closed. So that also shows that they are not expecting further up move, and they haven't bought much puts today. So because they already bought puts the other day, on Friday, and they have shorted very few put writing they have done, but majorly they have done call writing. And PropDex, they have done both, but majorly call writing. And again, no further put buying today to hedge, because already they took put buying positions on Friday. So they closed them in profits, and now they have initiated some extra put buying for the hedging purpose. Okay, so that means these counting gets nullified. Like if I have bought puts, 10 puts, then I close 5 puts, okay, at profit, and then I initiate 7 puts for hedging purpose. So that's for far out of the money. So the put buying, the 5 put buying which I closed were maybe in the money, or very or at the ATM. Okay, so now at the ATM I am shorting and buying far out of the money, the put. So that means at the end of the day it will show me that I have bought 2 puts. Okay, but that's the thing how it goes on. Okay, so that's why this put buying is showing a little change, and that's the reason. And yeah, these call buying has been done to hedge these positions, the call writing positions. So majorly option chain data is bearish. Okay, and so it would be a sell on rise. And tomorrow we have FinNifty expiry. In FinNifty majorly call writing has been done, and so if there is an like a gap up or some up move tomorrow, so it will be a sell on rise, and it would be a sell on rise day. Okay, until unless like the short covering goes on or something like that. But yes, that's as per the data as of now, we can say that. Okay, now talking about the futures, some very little, almost it's the same futures long positions. So little future short positions have been closed by the FIIs, and might be that the signal was coming at the end, they were closing these future short positions. So yes, let's see what happens tomorrow, how things goes on, and accordingly we'll decide. And then talking about FIIs, prop decks futures long position. So yes, it's all again the same. Future short positions are also again the same. So not much change, only the change is that FIIs have closed some future short positions, and that's the thing, that's the overall analysis. So futures position still the same, and option chain is bearish. So again we are expecting a sell on rise market, and again as per the data, how the data comes, we will analyze and we will do intraday trading. So yes, if you want such analysis in the during the intraday, so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator family. And yeah, so if you and for the others, I give daily this free analysis, as well as sometimes I post on Twitter my intraday analysis. So those who haven't followed me on Twitter can follow me on Twitter, and can subscribe to my YouTube channel for the free content. And yes, let's talk about the levels. So the level that is getting a new level that is getting formed for the resistance purpose is this 19,420. So that level around, you see here, got resistance here, it got resistance. So this is the range where it's getting resist. So this new level is getting formed for Nifty. So if Nifty goes up and stays above this level, we should be cautious, like bears should be cautious. And one more thing, like here, like why money flow went negative. So in the morning, like it takes a lot of courage because to short the market. Why? Because 19,400 call writers were closing. If you see the OI change, it was negative, and the OI change on the put side was positive, and Reliance, it was 3.28%. So market was rallying, and there you are shorting the market. So, and also telling it, posting it publicly. So it takes a lot of courage, and you should have a lot of faith in your analysis, then only you can go like that. And yes, so if my analysis is helping you, so please don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders. And I think I have discussed everything. And yeah, yes, one more thing is that yes, so the money flow went negative because you have to consider everything. So even if you look at here, so this let's go to Nifty. So Nifty showed a very nice thing. So this money flow went negative. You see that it was very much visible, like the score was coming down though Nifty was going up. Even like you have to consider the cash segment as well, because here you see that Nifty was going up, but you see the volume was coming down. Okay, and here it like it was strictly coming down. So that also tells you from the cash segment also, like volume is not supporting this up move. So that's why I tell you that there are various factors you have to like overall club them together to get a hold of some scores or something, because it's not possible for you to like look at all the Greeks value, all these option data, volume, OI change, IV, volume, yes, and then premiums. So, and again cash and futures data. So all is not possible simultaneously, and that's the major reason. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.